everybody, we're back again. This is BFAM. You know what we're doing today? We're doing something delicious, I promise you. It is called seared scallops. We're trying to make that second half of the recipe that I just showed you for the bechamel, but hey, in case you just want to make seared scallops, I'll show you how to get that extra brown goodness that you need on a sear from the scallop. It's going to be delicious, it's going to be sweet. We're going to work on it right now. Okay, so today we're going to talk to you about scallops. As I said, we're trying to do scallops the correct way, which is to sear them. Should be a little bit of moistness in it. It shouldn't be rubbery at all. To do that, you basically need some real simple tools. First off, obviously you need some scallops. Should look sort of like this. These are nothing special. These are from Costco, frozen. What I did was I took them out and I tried to dry them by putting them in some dish towel. They should smell just fresh from the sea. They should be obviously brought to room temperature, not frozen. And you just keep them in that on a tray so that they're nice and get as dry as you can get them, because you cannot get a sear, not a good sear at any way, unless they are dry. Moisture to sear, bad. You want them dry. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some grapeseed oil. This stuff is good. Get the pan nice and hot, gripping hot, and then we're going to install each one of the scallops in like a clockwise pattern so we know which one to start with and then which one to flip after they get browned on one side to move on to the next one. It's real simple, salt and pepper, maybe a little bit of thyme and some other ingredients. We're good to go. Moving forward, you're going to love this. Scallops seared perfectly every time. So we have to get our pan nice and hot. We're going to add in our grapeseed oil, as you can see. Bring that up to temp. Make sure it's all moved around in the pan. And then we're going to test the oil. How do you know the pan is hot? Just go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of water in there to see if it pops. If it pops, it's hot. So we're going to start at 12 o'clock, placing our scallops directly at 12, and then working our way clockwise around the pan, just so we know where we started at, so we know which one needs to flip first and which one needs to flip last. Turn the temperature down on the pan so that the scallops cook evenly and that they're not cooking too fast. You're going to add some thyme right here. This is a couple few sprigs. Get in that pan, get that flavor. Next up, we're going to add some butter right here. We'll let it melt down a little bit, and then we'll baste the scallops with that, so you get a nice little brown butter along with the thyme flavor. You can just start to see a little bit of that brown start to come around the edges of the scallops. Woo! Look at that color. Just right. Now you're going to flip them all over and start basting with that butter. Time for that butter bath, baby. Get in there and get them scallops buttered up with brown butter. Basting, basting, basting. These are near done scallops. You're shooting for an 80% on one side, 20% on the other. This is just adding flavor, more flavor, and then it's time for them to come out. As you saw, this has been not cut at all. It is quick, really, really quick to have some scallops just the way you want them. Now's the time you're going to remove the scallops and put them on a dry paper towel, and then add a little bit of black pepper on top just to give it that extra little pop at the end, and you are good to go, ready to serve. So when you're ready to have something delicious as these scallops, try it out. Do the video. Love to hear your comments on seared scallops or any of the other recipes. Check us out on savoryscrapbook.com. Later in the episodes, we'll be making more stuff just like this. Simple and easy, under 10 minutes for you and your family. Hope you enjoy it. Hey, we're at that point again. If you like what you saw, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share. Don't be a stranger. BFAM! We'll see you next time. Peace.